It is done. It was done. Examples. Will you tell me when your load of laundry is done? It's done right now. Is that presentation for tomorrow finished? Yeah, it's done. Is your bathroom renovation done? Yeah, it's done. Did you do your homework? Yeah, it's done. It was done. Examples. Did they ever finish building your new garage? Yeah, it was done months ago. Is class already over? It was done 5 minutes ago. I like that painting. It was done by that lady over there. When did that trial for the murder suspect get over? It was done last Wednesday, I think.